Hi guys, good day, it's me, Teacher MJ. Our topic for today class is all about how to draw a square using a ruler and a protractor. So without further ado, let's do this topic. Now you need to remember this one class that a square has 4 sides of equal length. It has 4 right angles. So if you talk about right angles, it is exactly 90 degrees angle. So 4 right angles for a square. So we have given side that is 5 centimeter. Therefore, each side must be 5 centimeter because a square has 4 sides of equal length. So each interior angle is 90 degrees angle. So to start with, you draw horizontal line that is 5 centimeter. So draw horizontal line 5 centimeter. So you will use a ruler to draw this horizontal line that is 5 centimeter. Alright, and then we label this one. This is point A. And this will be point B. So this will be line segment AB. Alright, and then use your protractor to measure an angle that is 90 degrees. So from this point B, so vertex B, you measure 90 degrees angle. Alright, once again, you align the center part of your protractor in this given point B. And then you align 0 in this horizontal line. So your angle forms like this. Alright, so once again, you align the center part of your protractor from this point B, and then you align 0 in this horizontal line to have 90 degrees angle. Alright, so we align the center part in this point B, and then we align 0 in this horizontal line. Alright, so you use the outer numbers for the angles. So we have 0, starting from 0, then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So this is 90 degrees. This one right here, class. Right, center part, then we align 0, and this will be 90 degrees. Alright, so that's the 90 degrees angle. And then this will be our guide. Once again, this is the guide. Alright, so this will be the guide for the 90 degrees angle. And then you measure, class, 5 centimeter. So once again, each side must be 5 centimeter. So we will be using, let's have 6 to 1, that is 5 centimeter, right? 6 to 1, that would be 5 centimeter. Alright, let's have 6 to 1. 6 centimeters to 1, then let's measure that one. Alright, so we can erase this excess part, excess line. So let's measure from this point to this point. So this will be our point C. So let's measure if this is 5 centimeter. 6 to 1, that would be 5 centimeter. So let's check. Yep, exactly 5 centimeter. Alright, and then we measure another angle for this one in this point A. So our angle forms like this. So we align the center part of our protractor in this point A, and then we align 0 in this horizontal line. Alright, so center part of our protractor from this point A, and then we align 0 in this horizontal line because our angle forms like this. Alright, so we align 0 in this horizontal line, and then we align the center part of our protractor in this point A. Alright, and then you will be using, class, the inner numbers for the angles. So we have 0, then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, then 90. Alright, so this will be our guide. So once again, let me just double check. Yep, this will be our guide for the angle. And then you measure 5 centimeter. So once again, this is our guide for the angle. Let's measure 5 centimeter. Let's have 6 to 1 again. 6 to 1. That is 5 centimeter. Alright, so 6 to 1. Alright, this one. And this will be point D. And then you connect these points, class. Connect this one, C to D. So connecting C to D, of course, that would be 5 centimeter. Let's check if this is really 5 centimeter. Yep, 5 centimeter. Yep, exactly 5 centimeter from D to C. Alright, so 5 centimeter from D to C. That's it, class. That's how you draw a square using the ruler and the protractor. So we can check this one, class. this angle right here, if this is really 90 degrees, so we align the center part of our protractor from this point D, and then we align 0 in this vertical line AD. Alright, let's check if this is really 90 degrees. So we have 10, so use the inner numbers. 0, then 10. Once again, align the center part of your protractor in this point D, and then we align 0 from this vertical line AD. Alright, so we have 0, then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Exactly 90 degrees. Alright, so exactly 90 degrees. So how about this one? Once again, align the center part of your protractor in this point C, and then we align 0 from this vertical line. So let's check if we get exactly 90 degrees. Use the outer numbers. You have 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Exactly 90 degrees, class. All set, class. So that's how you draw a square using the ruler and the protractor. So you can finalize your answer with a ball pen. So let's finalize this one. Alright. So always finalize your answer and then always label, class. Do not forget to label, class. Each side must be 5 centimeters. Because there are some teachers, class, they will advise you to label each side that is 5 centimeters. So this is A. So this will be a square, ABCD. So AB is 5 centimeters. BC is 5 centimeters. CD is 5 centimeters. AD is 5 centimeters. And we have 90 degrees angle, 90 degrees angle, 90 degrees angle, and 90 degrees angle. That's it, class. All set. So that's how you draw a square using a ruler and a protractor. So the next part of our video will be how to draw a rectangle using a ruler and a protractor. And I will just put the link on the description down below. So I hope you learned something new today. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. You share it to your friends and to your classmates so that we can help more students. Once again, this is Teacher MJ. You have a great day, class. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye.